So hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. We're going to discuss the most interesting topic in mathematics in Module 1 in this final, which is entitled Modular Arithmetic. So hopefully you like this video tutorial. What is modular arithmetic? Modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic for integers where numbers wrap around when teaching a certain value. The modulus, or the plural of moduli, the modern approach to modular arithmetic, was developed by Carl Friedrich Gauss in his book Disquisitiones Arithmeticae, published in 1901. If we want to show you guys the basics of modular arithmetic, so let us take a look in a given example. We can see that there are two distinct numbers that involve including 2 and 5 with the mode of 3. However, we are dealing with 3 mode in case, so that the two number here in mode 3 tell us how many values we can have in mode 3. That means there are only 3 values in 3, therefore, so for every mode, the value starts at 0. The highest number of a mode is always 1 less than mode itself. So mode 3 equals 0, 1, and 2. For example, mode 2 is equal to 0 and 1. So mode 2 goes up to 1. Mode 3 is equal to 0, 1, and 2. So that mode 3 goes up to 2. Another example is mode 9 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that mode 9 goes up to 8. How do we apply these values to our number line here? We will start at the 0 and find the moment. 0, 1, and 2. We will look at mode 3, so the possible values we can have for mode 3 are the numbers 0, 1, and 2. So there are two values of 0, 1, and 2. Hence, 2 has the value of 2, and 5 has the value of 2. So therefore, 2 and 5 essentially have the same value when we are dealing with mode 3. So we can apply this also to negative numbers as well. So in mode 3, negative 5 is congruent also to negative 2. So if the two numbers is congruent to positive numbers, it is also congruent to negative numbers. So now let us take a look to another in which is the mode 4. 2 congruent to 5 in mode 4. Remember that mode 4 is equal to 0, 1, 2, and 3. If we're going to apply it in a number line here, we can say that it is not congruent. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. And vice versa on the negative side.
A few moments later.
We can say that 2 is not congruent to 5 in mode 4 because 2 is congruent to 2. Therefore, 2 is not congruent to 5 in mode 4. Thank you.
So guys, thank you for watching our video about modular arithmetic.
And we hope you learned something about it.
God bless you all. What is modular arithmetic? Yan.
Ulit lang.
Yan.
The modules.
Kasi tayo matapos yun.
About the topic about
Sabi ka. Super. Bakit?
the topic
Love.